Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a passkey on your Amazon account. If you've set up a passkey but prefer to use a traditional password or simply want to remove it, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. On the account page, locate and click on Login and Security. This section is where Amazon stores all the important settings related to how you access your account, including passwords, two-step verification, and passkeys. Clicking this option ensures you're in the right place to manage your security features. At this point, Amazon may prompt you to enter your password again as an extra security measure. This is completely normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Go ahead and enter your password when prompted, then proceed to the next step. Now look for the passkey section within the login and security settings. If you've previously created a passkey, you'll see an edit button next to it. Click on this edit button to access the passkey management options. However, if you haven't set up a passkey yet, you won't see this option. In my case, I haven't configured a passkey, but I'll still walk you through what happens next so you know exactly what to do. Once you click Edit, you'll see a list of any passkeys you've created for your Amazon account. Find the specific passkey you want to remove. Next to it, you'll notice a delete button or a delete icon. Click on this to initiate the removal process. This step is important because it marks the passkey for deletion and prepares Amazon to remove it from your account. Finally, Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the passkey. Click on Confirm or Delete to finalize the removal. Once you do this, the passkey will be permanently removed from your Amazon account and you'll no longer be able to use it to sign in. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your passkey from your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.